They spent 50 lakhs on just the interiors of this villa. Was it worth it? Let's find out.
Hi.
Hello. I've seen pictures, but walking in here, I must say it already feels so aesthetic.
You'll see that very neutral colors, and we've tried to add in a pop of color in our sofa so that your colors are just defined by what's around it. And then you have the double ceiling glass window which lets in a lot of light in the space.
Also, what's striking my eye right now is this huge, wonderful, stunning pendant light.
We just wanted some natural elements in the pendant, created our own light actually.
This looks damn interesting.
Here we have the dining, and what we try to do is add an element of wood in the space, so that wood is a natural element again. And here what you'll see something really interesting is that you have an aquarium. So you have, while you're eating, while you're drinking your coffee, you can just have a look at these fishes. And then when you walk into the space, you'll probably see the whole garden space, and we try to integrate the indoors with the outdoors. You might not have seen in many places.
Okay.
So let me just show you through that. So this window actually retracts balcony. So this becomes your extended balcony basically. So that was the whole idea behind the whole space.
Yeah. Whoa. I've never seen anything like this.
As we continue inside now, we didn't want to let go of our green. So what we did is we tried to introduce this indoor planters, and here we made a small sit out so that you have a skylight, and if you want to read a book or if you want to just enjoy or chat with your friend, you can just have a sit here and just be in between nature. So that was the whole idea.
Right.
As you see now, you are seated in this space, and this directly overlooks your kitchen. So let me take you to the open kitchen as well. So as you walk into the kitchen, first your eyes would fall on the greenery that is outside, of course. So you can enjoy your cooking experience more peacefully. So we've gone in with the beige color of the countertop just to match with the whole space, and then we continued that onto the island. Now this island's purpose was to make the space more informal, so people can come in, have breakfast here, you can cook and eat. You have a lot of space where people can communicate with each other, so everything is open. And also the lights, of course, so that adds a little pop to the space because it looks very unique.
I'm very excited now to see all the other spaces of the house.
So let me take you through the bedrooms of the house.
Sure.
So as we walk in here, you will notice that this is a triple height skylit ceiling. And from the ceiling, we have these beautiful pendant lights. We usually call them cocoon lights that are hanging from the ceiling. Yes, and it gives it more character because you have a very high ceiling as well in the space. And now let me show you a tour of the master bedroom that we have.
This place looks super artsy.
So what we've done here is we've tried to make the bed look like a floating bed, and then when you see the carpet on the floor and the same rug is continued on the wall. Now people would wonder why would you use a rug on the wall, but we thought it would be a very interesting feature, so we just left it there. So here now we move into the walk-in space for the bedroom, and you will see that we have continued the same texture as your kitchen cabinet for the bedrooms as well. And a very interesting feature that we have added is you can see that there's a light pendant in the wardrobe that I don't think you've seen any other space.
Yeah, so I've seen spotlights, I've seen shelves, I've seen drawers in wardrobes, but never heard of a pendant in the wardrobe. So definitely stealing this idea from here.
Yeah, so we have two other bedrooms on this floor, and one bedroom in particular on this floor is very unique to me because it has a very nice French window. So this bedroom opens up into the living room, so you can actually enjoy the whole view of the living room from this bedroom. And the reason to add this French window was we just love French windows.
Yeah, and what a stunning view of the living room.
So here we have two bedrooms on the basement floor. So these are more or less similar to what bedrooms you see on top.
Yeah.
Like we didn't want to experiment too much with the colors or the design of the rooms because we wanted everything to have the same look and feel. The only difference in these ones is that you have direct access to your garden. The unique feature is that you can step down here and directly walk to your swimming pool.
Wow, the pool looks stunning.
So now we've basically entered the outer area of the whole space. This is the bonfire area. This area is the most used area in the lawns because it's a very cozy space. As you can see, it's surrounded by a lot of trees, and you have a nice sit out where people come down in the evening and relax by the bonfire. And the people who are swimming, you have a nice table and chair here where you can interact with people who are swimming.
So I see a lot of exquisite elements like in every space of your house. So from where did you draw this inspiration? Was it a hotel? Was it a place you traveled to?
I travel a lot, so I keep picking out certain elements from different places that I get inspiration from. Places like Dubai is one of the inspirations for the kind of textures on the walls. So it's a mix and match of different designs I've picked up over the years from the places I've traveled.
Oh, that's amazing. So let's move to the pool area now.
Yes. So the pool deck is fairly simple. We've just kept a big dining table where you can enjoy your snacks and drinks. And if you move ahead, you have your swimming pool deck where you can just lay and enjoy the sun.
Was this also a part of the Bali theme that you wanted to bring in?
Exactly. This was inspired by a Bali theme where they use artificial thatch or natural thatch for their structure. So
Yeah.
we wanted to incorporate one so that you feel like it's a very Bali vibe.
Wait, I have seen your curvy steps, I've seen your curvy furniture, but then curvy ceilings. Can I know a little bit more about this concept?
So I don't believe in straight lines. So instead of going for a straight ceiling, I've gone for a curved ceiling, which gives more style to the whole space. And I've added a planter box on top and added a lot of flowering trees.
How beautiful. So what was the total cost for the interiors of this villa?
So I would say it's somewhere around 50 to 60 lakhs per villa.
I've thoroughly enjoyed this full vacation vibe that you created inside this house, and honestly I think I need a vacation after this. For more such interesting interior stories and inspiration, don't forget to subscribe to Interiors Made Easy. Also, we have our free Interiors Made Easy webinar. The link is in the description below. It's the ultimate guide to building your dream home.